Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the opacity of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We have to select one that we want to work on. After we selected it, here in the editing menu, we have to find the clip that we want to edit. We just tap on it, and then in the bottom bar, if you scroll to the right, we find opacity here. And after we tap on this little slider pops up, and if we move it to the left, then the opacity is going to change, meaning that the clip is going to become a bit more see-through. So if we have another clip under it in a different layer, then that clip is going to be visible. But yeah, you can play around and set the opacity to your desired level. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.